Experts are calling it an epidemic, the battle against heroin addiction. Some say there are now more people dying of overdose in the state of Ohio than deaths from car accidents. 27 First News reporter Gerry Ricciutti introduces us to one local man who's beating his addiction, plus how care workers are trying to provide more help to others.
David Ross is grateful to say he's a recovering heroin addict.
I'm 58 years old. I've been using drugs for at least 45 years.
But for more than a year now, David has been clean thanks to the medically assisted treatment program at Meridian Community Care in Youngstown. Doctors were able to prescribe a drug known as Suboxone to ease his withdrawal symptoms and curb his need to use opiates. But under federal law, there's a limit to the number of patients centers like Meridian can see, forcing many potential clients onto waiting lists.
If we turn them away and tell them you're going to have to come back later, they may not come back, or we may lose them. They may have an overdose. They may die.
About 5 Ohioans a day, 5 a day, die from drug overdose, 5 a day. Think about that.
Senator Sherrod Brown is now proposing a bill to lift that cap on medically assisted clients and allow physicians to decide how many people can receive treatment. Administrators with Meridian admit they've seen a threefold increase in addicts looking for help this year over last.
People are scared. People who have been using opiates maybe for a longer period of time, they're seeing friends and loved ones die. It's driving them in. They want help now.
Ross admits he tried to quit many times.
Number one, I knew I was done. But number two, what it was that I had to figure out how to stay done.
Administrators hope lawmakers will now make it easier for others to follow in David's footsteps. Gerry Ricciutti, WKBN 27 First News.